Alright, so Taco Bell brought back their grilled cheese burrito, but this time they have two variants, the double steak and the spicy double steak. I went with the regular double steak. Let's open this bad boy up. As you can see, the cheese is once again stuck to the foil. Ow! Well, at least you know it's hot, and I just didn't just get it sitting on itself, by itself. But look at this monstrosity. It's as big as my head. The marinated steak is a nice touch. And it tastes just like a grilled cheese sandwich and a burrito mixed together. I know some people say you're supposed to eat it from the middle because that's where all the flavor is, but there's a lot of flavor in this burrito, so it doesn't really matter where you get your first bite. You're going to get a lot of flavor with this item, even if you get the spicy one, especially if you get the spicy one. That has jalapenos mixed in. I think I said that. Let's try the steak by itself. Ow! Like I said, cooked to perfection. This is one of the reasons I will never go vegan. Upon many other reasons. Sucks that this is limited edition. I believe this last bite should be dedicated to Chester Cheetah. No. No. Yeah, Chester Cheetah. He loves cheese. I don't think I've done a lot by for him. Maybe I did in the Cheetos video. I'll have to look back at that video, but that gets a 5 out of 5 seal of approval. Two points for me, but a bunch of points for Taco Bell for bringing back that item. So, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. You'll be glad you did.